Some real money game apps reward short play sessions instead of requiring you to spend hours every day, making them a better fit if you only have a few minutes at a time. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 games that work well for shorter sessions, and how to choose the one that matches your schedule. The first pick is Bingo Cash. A single match only takes a few minutes, so you can play during a lunch break or while waiting for an appointment. If you're comfortable entering paid tournaments where available, you can decide how much time and money you want to commit before every game. Next is Solitaire Cash. Each solitaire match is relatively quick, and the gameplay is already familiar to many players. That means you spend more time playing and less time learning complicated rules. If you prefer card games over fast-paced action, this is one of the easiest options to fit into a busy day. Third is Bubble Cash. The game combines bubble shooting with competitive matches that don't require long sessions. You can complete a game, collect your results, and move on without blocking out a large part of your day. It's a practical choice for players who enjoy arcade-style games. The fourth recommendation is Rewarded Play. Unlike tournament-based apps, Rewarded Play gives rewards for playing supported mobile games through the platform. You can open the app, play for a short period, and continue later without losing your progress. That flexibility makes it useful if your free time comes in small blocks throughout the day. The fifth option is Missed Play. It also rewards users for playing featured mobile games instead of focusing on head-to-head competitions. You can switch between supported games, earn rewards during regular gameplay, and stop whenever you want. It's designed for people who prefer casual gaming over competitive matches. Before choosing any app, check whether it's available in your country and review the payout methods it supports. Some focus on gift cards, while others may support cash prizes or additional redemption options depending on your location. Reading the eligibility rules before installing the app can also save you time later. The biggest advantage of short session games is consistency. Playing for a few minutes several times during the week is usually easier than trying to set aside long gaming sessions. To recap, Bingo Cash, Solitaire Cash, and Bubble Cash are good if you enjoy competitive matches, while Rewarded Play and Missed Play are better if you want flexible gameplay that fits around your schedule. Pick the app that matches the way you already play mobile games. Test it during your next free break, and see which one works best for you. If this video helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other videos covering the best money-making game apps in 2026.